We have seen cancer surgeries done through ages. In the past, when the person was undergoing cancer surgeries, particularly of head and neck region, there was a devastating result of the surgery because there was no reconstruction with the surgery. It led to a big and negative impact in the form and function, including the cosmetic derangement, as well as huge problems in speech and swallowing for the patient. But now it is not true. With advanced reconstructive and rehabilitative surgeries, we are not only able to treat the cancer, but at the same time provide the patient with very good quality of form and function, that is good look and ability to do almost normal function in terms of speech and swallowing. That not only cures the cancer but boosts the morale of the patient to come back in the society cancer free and to contribute fully to the society. Thank you.